Leave me, Mama, leave me. Mama, leave that. Leave her. Leave her.
Nikki, please, I beg you. Nikki, come here. Nikki, look at me. Nikki, I'm sorry. Please, I am sorry, okay? I am so sorry. I'm sorry I lied to you. I am sorry I deceived you. Trust me, it wasn't intentional, please. Please.
You messed me up, you messed me up.
I know, I am so sorry, Nikki. Please, look at me. Nikki, look at me, please. I messed up. Okay, I messed up. Please, forgive me. Nikki, I choose you. I choose you above everything else, okay? Listen, I choose you above my music. I don't care about any other thing right now. You're the only person I think about. You're the only person on my mind, Nikki. Please. Please don't leave me. You can't leave me. Please, I beg you. Nikki, look at me.
They look you now, they look you.
I am sorry.
I don't hear.
It's me and you. It's me and you against the world, baby. It's
I
me
don't
and
hear.
you. It's me and you, okay?
I don't hear.
Please, I'm sorry.
Hey, Puna, you didn't see what I see so.
Come up for you.
I'm sorry.
Chairman, we're here.
Well done.
Okay, again, I ask, who are you?
No vex. It be like say we start on the wrong footing last time as we come. So make me just give you proper introduction of who we be. Chicken. I be Mama.
Nicki Minaj, die-hard fans of Dawn. Yes, now with that.
See, whether you be die-hard fan or die soft, that will not concern me. But not before this my gate.
But wait, there's no vex. See, you see me and my mama. Now we win the Dawn biggest fan of the year competition. Where the reward now for you to make us superstar. Now we.
Star.
Yes.
Which of the stars? Star green bottle be.
Hi. This boy Mumu don't ripe.
Hey, Mama, calm down.
You know, say I get zero tolerance for Mumu.
I know. Just calm down, small. Just calm down. Calm down. Chief Security Officer, sir, no vex. Say now mistake we do. Hey, international. Hey, collect them. Swale, Baba. We respect you. We humble.
Now you come. So, what I want to say?
We want to see Dawn. Dawn the superstar. Hey, God. Hey, I want to explain this thing now. We be in biggest fans. We don't come here to see him.
Okay.
Yes.
Which of the fan where the blow body be?
Hi, this boy Mumu, he don't ferment enter palm wine level. He don't the smell.
Mama, calm down. Just hold on inside. Understand. Hold on. Hold on, make we first get with him carry us confess. Calm down. Sorry. Sorry, Baba. No vex.
Anyway, may I just pity you now.
Hi, thank you.
I go submit on a request form.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Man, no enter.
Hi, now you try first. Take her for here. Take her. You try first.
No come.
Thank you. Hi.
I don't go submit the phone. How you check him? How I be?
Okay.
Did they feel me?
Oga Puna. One fair woman, and that one that they forget. Say they be fans when we win the competition and they be.
Okay, they are here. We are expecting them.
Oh.
Just go and open the gate for them. I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
us now! Hey, Mama! See us now! I'm there! Mama,
Silence, everybody.
Sorry, no mess.
Introduce yourselves.
Okay. Me, I be Mama Yo. And I be Nikki Minakwa. And we be die-hard fans of Don the Swasta.
We're expecting you guys.
You see, no, this game, I can't tell you, they know us.
Hey.
Without show.
My name is Pona. I am Don's manager.
Punani? Brother, nonsense. Get man give you that kind name. Abi, now your mama will drink shake by the day they won't name you. Call you Punani.
Are you guys here for a comedy or what?
You vex, eh? Make you just try. Give your life to Christ. Because na Punani will kill Solomon. Bam! Kill Samson. Bam! Kill Jacob and Esau. Bam!
Alright. First of all, to enlighten your ignorance, Pona is a foreign name that simply means agility and grace. Understood?
But for Nigeria, it means something. Look, something.
Come in.
Great entrance. Take your time. Check my steez. Move. Feel me.
Move. I do your back.
Come on. Beauty.
Please sit.
Thank you.
He will soon be down to meet you guys. He's in a meeting.
Thank you. My brother, I beg. My brother. Hi. I beg, this name they had me to call. Oh. This name they heavy me for mouth. I beg, you get another name where I think they use.
I prefer to be called my name, Pona.
Hi. That name too sharp. It go tear my mouth. No, and anyway, no be by force. Say if I dey talk to you, I must call your name. I beg with the horns. Wait, Ogini. Make I dey maintain steez. Make hunger dey wire me. Because I beg with the hungry.
All right. You will get food and drink.
Hey,
just relax. All right.
Come on. Thank you, my brother.
Mama, why you go they do like this now? See the way you just fall my hand. Why you just they embarrass me now?
I go up your hand. Make her up your hand. Make her up your hand. Make hunger wire me for here. Come, my package you no reach for my belly.
Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Please, what would you like to have?
Hey! This question where you ask now is sweet, my fella.
Hey, wait. Wait till you get. Wait till day.
We'll have soups. If you want to take swallow.
Hi.
We'll have egusi soup. Hi. We'll have obono soup or hot soup. That's if you want to take swallow. Then we'll have rice, stew, chicken. I'm feeling shy. We'll have yam and egg sauce.
You see that yam where you call now? Because the journey is far. Where we don't come from, that yam be like something we go land dugum for our belly.
It's hot, Abi?
Very hot.
Well, give us that yam. Yeah. Okay. Because you be like teacher, just teacher, we made cloth. Remain tight. Therefore, tight. You put a problem. What really like the air? We have. No, Mama, you hot away. She talk to you hot. This is not the beginning of good things. Amen. And as it be so, me don't just come down sharp. If we sign us, make we begin sing. What do they talk? Go well. Me wait for my man. I don't already sing. We don't already release our album since. The album name, Fantastic 2. Always. On the cook. We do shakara that time now. Why they rush the food?
Mama,
They make maintain things for hunger.
Now packaging.
You for keep quiet now. When they say what you want chop, you for keep quiet.
Yeah,
I'll go arrange them for you.
No verse now. My bad. Now they enjoy this one.
Cool, I did my mouth.
Mama, you bomb me.
This food they give me inspiration. I feel like to sing. I want boss rhymes. I want boss rhymes now.
Calm down. No the chop first. No the chop.
Yummy. Lemolu.
No, my man, I chop. I chop.
See, that's what music they come an inspiration. I dey in my zone. I dey in the zone. They go take.
Oh my gosh!
Hey, what's that?
Punani, I'll get the one. Eh?
Control yourselves.
Why go the be now? You know to say we be die hard fast. You just
The dawn. After you, now you. The dawn. We dey feel you. The dawn.
Don't misbehave.
Swale, take us
Who they be? Where they dey? Where the dawn?
Who born them?
Who born them? Their papa.
Who born dog?
Their papa left yash.
Correct us.
Hey.
Let
I'm
us.
the lawyer.
Let us.
We are lawyer.
Humble
Aye.
people. Very humble.
3 hours enough for you.
That's it.
Puna, who are these people? And where are my fans?
Now we be that. Now we be the people. Now we be your diehard fans. My name is Nikki Minakwa, and this is my mama.
Mama, yo.
And the two of us will be
The Fantastic 2. We come make we rock your wall.
Yes, sir.
The dawn. Make we blow your mind.
peace out.
Yo. Vibes on vibes.
They're not the serious.
So you two won the fan competition?
Bam. Sure, sir. Now us. Now we nobody fi win them. Now only us.
It win them when we did there. We take up. We grab them.
I see. Okay. Before we begin, can I get a little freestyle?
Oh, that I talk.
Sure, wait, make I wear my cap. Sure.
Okay.
Mama, I do it.
Okay. Maybe go.
Hey. It's your girl.
Okay, that's enough.
We just they flow into
never-
the first. We never enter first.
You go
verse.
germinate. You never tutu rice.
Thank you. This has got to be a joke or something. Are you guys comedians?
No, I be rapper.
Rapper?
Yes, sir.
You mean rapper for clothes or what?
We dey spit bars.
I dey rap. I dey spit bars. I dey.
You
I dey drop am anyhow.
You don't feel us.
My mama dey sing. He pass. Mama tell am now. He pass Beyonce.
Beyonce. Area start. Then they learn work.
Maria Carey, they no see me. Then they no reach my mama.
See. In short, don't worry, eh? Make we
don't
add energy. Make you feel them now. Don't worry. On a kum.
Wait.
On a kum. On a kum. On a kum.
Wait.
Hey. On a kum.
Hey yo. My name is Nicki Minaj. Hey, and I'm chilling in Peter. Hey, I'm giving you ukwa. Hey, and I'm spending on my naira. No, mama. We are spending on the dollar.
Pound sterling. Pound sterling. Pound sterling.
Dollar. And we chilling with Punani. Give me the Versace.
Beef for Punani.
Puna.
Beef for Punani.
Thank you. Puna, what's the meaning of this? What's going on?
I'm shocked.
Hey, mama, see, they shock. We don't electrify them. We dey give them goosebumps.
We don't bust their brain
at all.
You guys are playing, right? This is a joke.
We dey rap now. Mama, wetin dey happen? Mama, wetin dey? Maybe na this cap. Make we give them.
Make we give them energy.
Make we dance.
Energy.
Stand up.
Energy.
We don't come here.
Don't worry. Let me play with come. Mama. I said we sell all our property. Come here.
We sell everything. Make we forget transport.
Get transport. We come here.
You go feel am.
And you go sign us for this your record label.
You must feel
nothing, no. Aye, we die here. We pin.
Pack. Pack. Hey!
We wanna rap. We wanna rap.
I said rap.
We wanna rap.
Say rap, mama rap.
Make a yan.
Hey, mama yandiyan.
She make a yandiyan.
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 Mama yandiyan.
Make a yandiyan.
Mama hitandiyan.
I want a yandiyan. Make a. I want a yandiyan. Make we yandiyan. I want a yandiyan.
I saw just drop them everywhere we go. Now ain't be that, sir. We don't drop them.
You mean I left my Zoom meeting for this joke?
Oh God, don't be joke. Now serious business with this. We sell
everything.
Give you
top of the charts now.
We sell everything where we get.
We sell all our property. Come here.
Get transport. Come your house. Make you for
You both can't even sing to save your lives.
Buna, go bring paper. Make them sign us.
My pikin dey rap.
Now they play.
My pikin dey rap.
Pieces. I'ma tell them.
Yes, she can rap. She can rap fufu. Yes.
Hold your chest. Hold your chest. Make it. Ooh. Mama. How you go talk that kind thing?
Mama, my body don't fold.
My pikin wey talent they pour from her finger reach ground. They flood everywhere like River Jordan.
Oi.
My pikin dey rap pieces.
Oi.
My pikin go tear scales with her voice.
Oi, not.
Wetin dey yarn?
And you, madam, you should actually apologize to the well-known celebrities for even thinking of comparing yourself to them.
Hey.
You are nowhere near.
Mama, could you catch me?
Oh, you not tomorrow. Nikki, I dey catch you cold.
My jollof rice.
Oh, you not tomorrow.
Scrap.
Go dey catch me for this kind of thing where the dawn talk. Oh, be a mama.
Baby, I dey catch you cold.
Oh, the dawn. Oh, be a mama. Let's give them song of sorrow.
These people are crazy.
Oh, be a mama.
Take them out of my house. I don't want to see them around here. Okay, please just take them out.
Okay.
Vibes or vibes, the Don. You know, appreciate us.
All right, that's okay, that's okay.
Oh, the Don. The Don,
That's
where they
okay.
go? The Don, where they go?
As you can see, you did not impress the Don.
Yes, sir.
You may now leave
Leave to where? To where?
to your various houses.
Which house?
No, they joke. I carry your name sing.
My name is not Ponani.
Unani, I use am sing, John.
We carry your name
Please,
sing.
leave. I said leave.
You know
You're
they
trying
feel
to
us.
sit. Leave this place now.
Where we won't go? We don't sell all our things. Come
How is
here.
that supposed to be my business?
If
I said
your
leave.
business, Oga, we no get where to go.
We
Do
don't
you
come.
want me
We
to call
don't
the
come.
police?
Never
Do
reach
you want me
like
to call the police?
that. Never reach like that.
Now leave.
My brother, you can change your mind though. We go still hang around.
How can you come here and be singing rubbish?
Well, hey, now the best of the best we give you.
I said leave.
Chat stopper. Now we give you. See,
if I
Bros,
I'll call the police.
now top of the chat where we give you. Top of the chat. Chat stopper. Hey. No, I dey tell you, we be spec, oh. We be spec. You go regret this thing what you dey do now.
I said leave.
You go regret this thing. I dey tell you on a cuckoo.
Hello, Inspector. Inspector, please. I need your assistance here now.
It never reached like this.
For the update time, my name is not Ponani. My name is Pona.
Forget that thing.
Punana, pet name of Punani.
Exactly now.
Punani.
Why not they do
they
like?
do like
See, we be
say no be your
superstars,
name.
so we be
You guys should
superstars.
just leave.
Leave to where?
They say won't play abi.
If you know, you are go kick you, I go come on your leg.
Come on, go.
My friendship come up.
Who call you for this discussion?
Go back to the village and find something else to do.
What thing?
Music is not for you.
If be for us, if full
no
blood.
village material
Why you
now.
dey do like this?
We be city material,
Superstars.
metropolis.
Why you
dey
do
vibes of
like
vibes?
this? Mona just
Guy, this
sign
thing way they
person.
do, they touch me.
Forget that phone call where
It
you dey make.
touch me
Mona,
bad. It touch me for heart like this.
Hello, Inspector. Where are you guys now? These people are still here.
I know say
Hurry up.
you.
I know say this. Yeah, you gonna regret this thing, though.
Leave.
You go
Punani,
disappoint
calm
your
down.
fans.
Punani.
I said leave.
Suppose they advise done. Where instead you dey help
Punani, no dey
go
shout.
now.
No dey shout. Why you dey shout? See, na superstars.
Go.
See, we be material, oh. We be material. Una just appreciate. Una know that.
Let go.
Yes, sir.
Their fans are anticipating your meeting with them.
And how is that my business?
A number of your fans are their die-hard fans. These people have a large fan base. That is why they won your competition despite not knowing how to sing.
I don't follow, bro.
They brought you many followers. Many people started following you because of them. They promoted you, you know, your music.
But they don't know how to sing. Yeah, they don't know how to sing, and the competition is for people that know how to sing. Okay? I wonder how they won, because I saw a lot of good singers there. What happened?
They voted. Their fans voted. In their fans' eyes, they can never be wrong. They are the best.
This is crazy. Hold on, let me get this. Hello? Yeah, I'm great.
Hi, mama. See this. We no go fail. We no go fail for this life.
For waiting now.
Hi.
For waiting.
See,
Fail how? Our star don't shine already. All this one are just initial gragra. Our star don't shine and no fit stop am.
what I no be say? For this life, if you quechiri, you go get anything where you want.
Are you quoting now? I ain't watching.
Who the Zuzu? Who born dog?
Who the Zuzu?
Who born dog?
Who the Zuzu?
Ah, no. This one I just
Nothing mega.
Now setback. Now just
Nothing
minor
mega.
setback. It's a small challenge.
Nothing mega.
Little challenge.
Our superstars in the building. Mama, yo, I'm
Nikki!
Woo!
That's what crazy they start. Who be this one?
What's be this?
Okay, my bad, you know. I am Roger Blog.
How if you help you?
As you can see, we are live. I just want you to tell the fans how Don Superstar threw you out. His die-hard fans. We can do without even...
Hey, wait. You the Chris?
Who tell you say don't throw us come out?
Your head correct so?
Eh?
We never even see Don. We never see him. Mama, I should say that for sing guy. Now that for sing guy where they do competition with Don. Now him send them. Go tell us say no go walk. You don't see us.
Set that shame onto you.
Don a better person.
Better
and we
guy.
be die-hard fans.
Loyal for
to
life.
death do us part.
Loyal for
No,
life.
they choke. No, they carry us. They play.
Okay,
Come on, this thing for my phone. I go match him.
listen, Nikki hasn't gotten to that.
No, they talk. No, they call my name.
But listen. I just want you people to say the truth. Just tell the truth. Listen, we will secure you a singing bail. Not only that, we will give you a house, even a car.
Guy, it be like say your own done too much. Come
We
on
no
for here.
want. We no want.
Corruption or what?
We no want.
Make we come they
Come
talk
on for
bad
here.
thing against our dom because
We
come
know.
on for here.
They go.
Oh, yeah. Come on for here. You know? Come on for here. I will go break that phone for you now.
Just look at. Despite how you treated them, they defended you. This has earned us lots of votes on the Rota Awards. And of course, more followers on all platforms. Just look.
I mean, I appreciate their kindness, but it still doesn't change the fact that they cannot sing. They cannot sing, and I cannot perform magic to make them know how to sing.
But we can use them for publicity. Grow your fan base and get more votes.
Well, that's true. That's true.
You see, people are asking to see your videos with them. This is a good publicity. We can take advantage of that. Keep them around till the voting ends. Just give them a room. This will grow your brand, you know.
Alright. It sounds cool. It sounds like a good idea. But they've gone already, so what are we gonna do?
They are still outside.
They're still outside?
Mm-hmm.
Who the hell are these guys?
Your diehard fans.
Crazy. Okay. Bring them in. I'll tell the maid to prepare the guest room for them, and I'll just go upstairs and freshen up, so we'll have the video session, alright?
That's the spirit.
Bro.
Don, the superstar.
Yo, this is on you, man. This is on you. This is on you, man.
Come on.
This is on you. It's not really my thing, but it's okay.
Kai, Mama. No. Mama, even if don't no believe in us, we believe in ourselves. Die.
I said now who give up mess up?
Hi.
Now who give up mess up? For this life, you go hustle to reach your level. By fire, by force, man, they get her.
Wait. Yo, man. Wait,
They give up.
Yo, man.
Yo.
It's your girl Nicki Minaj, man.
Yo. And mama, yo.
Script. Fuck shit.
Man.
Fuck shit.
The downfall of a man is not the end of his life.
At all.
Yeah. We know they give up. Ooh, yeah.
Script.
We know they give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up.
No.
Never gonna give up, never gonna give up.
For where?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Never gonna give up, never gonna.
Hey, Mama, say Punani. Nicki Minakwa.
Minakwa for shizzy, for nizzy, for shizzy.
Peace out. Yes, sir.
You guys can come in.
No.
Oh, yeah, come. Why they go? Come carry my luggage. Come. Quiet me now, bros. Punani, wait now. Wait.
Amazing God. Amazing.
You don't do. Come. Go sit down, mister. Come. Hey, yo. Yeah, don't maintain them.
Don't leave. No
shit. This one
don't give up, mess up.
We don't blow. Hey, but it just suit me. I know if you will.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time again. It's about to go down. I tell you what. Damn, bro. Who do we have here? Ladies and gentlemen, these are my super fans. This guy is one.
Why they do like say he never see us before?
I'm gonna show you these guys. These guys are super amazing. They won the fan competition. And now they came to visit me, ladies and gentlemen. These are my super fans.
Yo.
Ladies and gentlemen.
We know your dad. The dog.
My name is Nicki Minakwa, and all the way from Peter Kwai with shillings.
Mama, yo, here to give you vibes on vibes.
Supposed to be
fantastic too.
Fantastic. Man, I'm telling you, these guys are super dope. They're super dope. Like,
You
you
don't
have
feel
no
us.
idea.
You don't feel us. You don't
Man,
feel
look at their
us.
drip. Their drip is out of this world, man.
We're so hot. We got to have breeze. We gotta have breeze.
Yo, Nikki, what you wearing though? What you wearing? Oh, goddamn it.
To match on the enemies. To match on the. Come, make we give them. Make we give them. The dog, a lawyer.
Mama, what designers are you wearing?
Yo, this is the funky feeling. The funky feeling. Yes, custom made for the culture. For the culture.
I got you.
Come on there.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this is
Yo.
These are my super fans.
Mama, yo, on the beat.
Watch out for what's about
Vibes
to
on
happen.
vibes.
We're about to do something magical, so expect nothing but the best.
Vibes on
We're
vibes.
about to collaborate and it's gonna be
Vibes on vibes.
Let me hear you say dun dunny.
Dun dunny.
Dun dunny.
Dun dunny.
Dun dunny.
Dun dunny.
That's what's up.
Yo. Mama, yo. I don't chop. I don't chop for palace before.
Have you eaten today?
We there with the Don Diddy.
Have you eaten today?
The Don Diddy.
Yeah, these are my super fans, my amazing fans. Alright.
Number one.
The Don.
An amazing meal right now. So, what's up?
First class.
That's what's up.
Fantastic.
These are the amazing two, right?
Fantastic too.
Oh, sorry. You guys should say it the way you say it, huh?
Fantastic too. So make a yang.
Yandy.
Make a yang.
Yes, so we have to observe.
The food sweet though.
Yeah, my super fans. These are my real super fans, alright? So,
Number one.
yeah, number one.
Make brain, man. Hello, our fans. Una dey feel us?
Hey.
Don't worry. One day go reach your turn to chop this kind of food.
I don't know. This egg no don't know.
Oh no, it's good. That's how we make it here.
Chop.
No, you can eat it. It's
I
nice.
don't want chop and maybe let me chop am sir.
You're gonna like it, trust me.
No, nice for me.
That's how we make our eggs.
I beg no vex.
Have it. It's very good for you.
Come out and chop. I know the chop.
Okay, then toss it to the side if you don't want to eat it.
Just carry am out now.
I have my own egg. I don't have to.
Now just to, go kill you. Chop up side.
No, I don't want to eat your own. Just eat.
You know one chop up. I
I'll
think
tell
so
them.
nice.
I have mine already. I'm good with it.
Now just to.
If you can come now. Yes.
Peace out, peace out.
Don't forget to stream my new single and keep the votes coming, okay?
Keep it coming.
Keep the votes coming, right? We need your votes, okay?
If you don't vote, you mess up, oh.
Yes,
If you don't vote for the don't need you mess up, oh. Now who give up mess up?
I see them, Mama.
Now who give up mess up? If you just dey give up easily, you go just see your dream, go just dey go.
Hey, he go pass you by.
Hey,
Serious. I don't believe saying na inside don house with him.
I say nice, I don't have.
Hey, that's the house. Fine. Serious. I see where we dey.
Now here we dey. Hey,
Who born dog? Who born dog?
hey.
Hey, oh my God. Eh?
See, for this life,
Eh.
just believe in yourself.
Na so. I believe in myself. Die.
Let me born you now.
I
You
believe in
never
myself.
before.
Die.
You never believe before.
I believe. Oh.
Opportunity come but once.
In a lifetime.
You see, as we don't get this opportunity, we
Go suck am.
go use this opportunity.
Go suck the opportunity dry. Hey, it's well, it's okay. Hey, Mama, see. Our followers don't increase. They increase. See, when we just do that collab now.
Bam!
Don't
Everywhere
finish.
boss.
Pieces.
Everywhere stew.
Pieces.
Everywhere scatter.
Pieces. Who born dog? Who born dog? See. Tiwa Savage, Simi, Arasta. They go find us come. Yemi Alade. Hey!
They go beg us come. They go beg us come for collabo.
They go find us. They no burn them where they no go find us.
They go beg us for collabo.
Hey! We don't make come. Mama, we don't make come.
Everywhere boss.
We don't make come.
Everywhere.
We don't make come. Hey.
Fly me to the moon. Let me sing forevermore. Yes.
Ooh. Pump the Moses, bro. Yeah. That's what's up. Who that? Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. What's going on here? What? No way. No. Oh my goodness. My followers are increasing. They're streaming my songs. They're voting for me. Yes! What? Yes! This thing works. It works. What? I wouldn't even get this much visibility if I spent millions on advert. I feel good. I know that I was. All right, we're in business. Yo, what's up?
Don, good morning.
Morning, bro.
You still asleep?
Man, I'm just waking up. What's happening?
Have you gone online?
Yeah, I saw it. It's crazy, right?
I also saw majority are already shipping you and Nikki.
What? What did you say? Never. It's never happening with that local girl. Nah, nothing is happening between us. Are you kidding me?
Well, that's what the fans want. They have even given the relationship a name and formed groups. Don Nikki's shippers.
Bro, both you and those fans, you all are crazy. Got me?
They are contributing money, voting massively for you. Guy, we need to leverage on that.
Nigga, what the hell are you talking about right now?
Give them what they want to see.
What do they want to see? Me and that local girl dating? Come on, bro. It's not happening.
Pretend to date her. Marketing and visibility strategy.
Listen, bro, that sounds so evil, okay?
That sounds strategic.
Okay, what if she falls for me? You know how it is with me and these girls. I am too irresistible for them.
Till we get to the bridge for now, let's think about the award, the visibility, your song. You don't have to date her. Just give the fans something to talk about. Fuel the rumor, hang out, play, sing, whatever. Just do it. It will achieve a lot than hundreds of millions of advert fee.
Okay, fine. Let's do it.
God, I beg. Make this our waka no be waste. God, I beg. I take God beg you.
Amen. God, I beg. Na beg go dey beg you. No fall our hand.
Amen.
Now wetin we go do if you fall our hand? We don't come. We don't come. Help us.
Now your hand be there.
Amen. We don't enter. We don't enter.
Come in.
Don't enter. Amen.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Good morning.
Please, breakfast is ready.
Okay.
No wahala, no wahala. Make we bath first, then we go brush our teeth. We go come chop. We dey come.
No problem.
Thank you, baby. Bye bye.
Now wait till we go chop this one.
The food, me I shall know say that food go hot.
It's all sweet. Breakfast is ready.
It's ready.
Even take English, they speak out. She don't know, so even if she say, come chop. We
don't dey there. We don't dey there. We don't dey there. Aye.
Shut, I just want maintain. I want to maintain composure. If to say, no be say we need to just package well for this house. I for just carry this nice guy around, go there, and go shop
that food go hot. I believe it. It go hot for me.
Let me go bath. Let me go bath. Didon! Good morning, sir.
No, please. Hey.
We are lawyers, sir.
Listen, please, I need you guys to drop this out thing, okay? Just call me Don. After all, we're family, right?
See favor. Hey.
Alright.
You see him? You see favor? Hey. See favor now.
Mama, you don't follow us.
Favor, follow me. Follow me.
Plenty money, follow me. Follow me. Hey.
Nobody will no fit to make a move. Nobody will no fit to make a move.
Okay.
Nobody will.
Thank you.
Hey! Chairman!
Thank you.
Chairman!
It's okay.
Hey! We pin! Hey!
Oh, baby.
Hope you both had your breakfast.
Very well, sir.
Done.
Very, very well.
Done.
Very hot.
We too sempe.
We dey well.
We that is.
We well.
We don't crack. We don't crack.
They alright.
This your cook, eh? She did do well. Everybody for this house, then they do well. And now when we don't be, as you don't talk, say we don't be family. We they do well. You see,
right.
Nikki the Don.
Right.
Mama, you the Don.
The donors.
We donors.
Don
family.
That's okay.
Okay, sir.
Nikki.
Sir?
What you say we'll go shop for clothes today? I'll buy some clothes for you and also for your mother.
You know, say, as we be family, I no feel life for you.
At all.
Money no day again, no.
Money don't.
Money don't.
Hey, it's okay. Bills on me.
Eh?
Bills on me.
Bills on you.
Yeah, bills on me.
Bills on you, mama.
Hi, sir.
What, sir?
Wait.
No.
Thank you, sir.
We are lawyer.
Mama.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The dog.
It's okay.
Well done, sir.
It's okay.
Swallow, sir. Collect them. After you, now you. Well done, sir.
Where we go do our music now?
Yes, sir.
Because now we take carry us con this Lagos. I say vibes on vibes. If vibes on vibes.
If we need to
This music they drip. We need to spit the bars. We need to
everywhere.
We need to spit these bars.
Clear
Come on,
everywhere, sir.
somebody.
If you body.
Make everywhere bust.
My head wants
Make
to
them feel us.
Bars.
Make them feel
I
us.
understand.
Yes, sir.
Can I talk, please?
Sure, no.
Dog.
Thank you. I understand. You need to spit, right?
Yes, sir.
It's fine. You will spit. You will spit.
Sorry.
I just need some time to take care of a thing or two. Eventually, we'll begin the collaboration.
Okay, sir. We did.
Everything's soft.
Supple. We did, sir.
Nikki,
Sir?
I'm heading upstairs to change. Go change as well. We'll be leaving shortly, okay?
Wait till one.
Change to
Wait till one. Fine, pass. Wait till she wear.
Just put on something nice, okay?
Something nice.
No, just change it to something better, okay? We'll be leaving shortly, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
What till one fine pass this one where you wear?
You want nice?
This your drip.
Dripping.
Add.
Supple, very
Abi, you could just add more bling. Maybe you need more bling. Make you add more bling. Add more bling.
No, buy me another bling. Now only this one.
You go wear that's my own bling. Make it
yes,
long
yes,
like
yes,
this.
yes.
Make it to feel I'm saying dog
Back
family.
over that my dark shade.
Take it!
Don't finish.
Come on. Find out them say. We don't show. Nobody will not fit to make a mo. Nobody will not fit to make a mo. Favor, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Look at the dog. They be now. If you don't give them, how will they take it?
They are not ready.
They are not ready
They
for
are
this.
not ready.
They are not ready for this. Look at the dog.
Check them now, mama. Mama, check them.
Blind them with the blame.
Stop. You dey feel am, abi? You dey feel am?
Your steez, he don't pass to look at.
too
He don't dey smell. He don't dey
too much.
smell.
It's
Wetin dey
too
talk?
much.
Your steez
See.
don't pass to look. I don't dey smell am. Oh. We want. The dog.
You can give am respect. Man, come on, this
The dog. She not ready for the shopping.
You dey feel am.
You dey feel the
You don't
ball.
see am now. See am.
You dey ball.
You dey feel my chain. You dey feel am.
My daughter just go and give them something.
Hold on, wait.
A little something.
Very, very supple.
Something. By the time I go outside now, come on.
See am now, Kobe Bryant.
They go see you carry person.
I wear like this.
Blunder.
Okay. Yes, sir. More they go now. I don't ready.
What is the meaning of this?
Eh?
Are we celebrating Halloween?
Waiting be Halloween.
Maintain composure.
Okay.
You know what they always ask questions like that, like say, you know Sabi.
But I know Sabi.
Shoot them.
Okay.
Just use your own brain, calculate them. Halloween. Hello, now hello.
Okay.
Then win, now say we win the competition.
Okay.
1 plus 1 now.
Okay, sir. We are now we did so yes. Na Halloween. Now be this. Hello. We win.
We win.
Yes, sir. Now be this, sir.
My goodness. Do I have to put up with this level of dumbness?
Sir. Abi, you know what make we win? We don't win now. We don't win now. We don't win now. We win it. See, Kobe Bryant. I don't ready to go. More they go.
In it too.
Mama, why this don go dey behave like small manje sometimes? Which kind thing be this now? It just weak me.
Sometimes you go just frown.
See now, my
another time, you go begin smile.
My body don't spoil.
No be so you just do that. First, he chase us come out for your house like this. The next thing, he can't bring us back. They laugh.
Come they say we be family. that one consign us because anyone way you do. We like them like that.
Puna, I am not feeling this. I am not. No, don't give me that. I ain't feeling this. What? You really expect me to go out with her looking like that?
It's good publicity done.
Oh, it's easy for you to say because you're not here experiencing this craziness.
You know I'm out here running your shit, man. Just endure the whole shenanigans.
Nigga, my name is not Endurance.
For the bag, my guy.
Yeah, for the bag.
More votes rolling in. The fans are happy. They're asking questions about the relationship too. So let's give them assignment.
Okay. I mean, you're the manager, right?
And I make the best decisions. Trust me.
Okay, whatever. I don't like this. I'm just going to be honest with you. I don't like this, but...
Remember to take videos and give them romantic vibes. Send me the videos. The editor will edit them and I send to blogs.
Mr. Manager, I have heard you. Is that all? Thank you. Goodness. All right, let's go shopping. Yo, beautiful ladies. Nikki, what's good?
Sir?
You ready for me?
Should I tell you, say,
Ready for me?
Mood don't change again.
Obanje.
Yes, sir.
You ready for me?
Yes, sir.
You sure you're ready for me?
Yes, sir. Always, sir.
All right, we'll be heading out now, but before we go, I would like us to do a Lico video.
You don't even follow us and talk Lico. You don't get online as family things.
I got you.
Make the rap this time. Make the please show my talent.
We'll rap for the video now because
I go wear my
you know, say we're supposed to just they sing for them so that by the time our record drop, everywhere go push.
No. No music. Huh?
If we don't sing, what till we gain?
Wait till we gain.
Okay, we'll sing. We'll sing.
Collect now.
Collect now.
Hold on.
Family, yes. Family.
Okay, so who can I
Videos. Post everybody.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, action.
Hey yo, man.
Yo, man. We be the Don family. This is Nikki the Don. Mama, yo the Don. We be the Gunners. You know, you when they watch football, you be the Gunners. We when they do music, we be the Donners. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Mama, collect.
We want visa.
Mama, let me feel.
Visa. Fever.
See him now. See him. You don't see him now. Too much.
Fever. Beaver.
Thank you. That was rubbish. That was amazing. Nikki, let's go.
Your mind they feel out. Okay, wait, pass it.
Everywhere, pussy. Everywhere. Come make I squat with that. Wait a moment.
Take my phone.
Let's use and do.
Just hold it.
Okay, sir. I don't hold on.
They're going to make a video.
Okay.
Do you know the lyrics to my new single? You know how to sing it?
No. Don't. Why you form my hand like this? Me, your #1 fan. I even started the song before you drop them. Asabiam.
Alright, okay. Let's make a video and vibe to the song.
Okay, sir. Says your phone clear, your camera, you just be like glass. Yes,
Can you not talk about anything other than singing my song?
No singer.
Have you started it?
Yes, I done the record.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, action.
Billionaire, when you do the cash, chopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. Billionaire, when you do the cash, chopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. Savior, that good one. But Oji the cash, chopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why? Oji the cash. See, I tell you something of us. Yo. Energy full. I just dey spit am. I just full am.
Yo. Listen, this is my #1 fan. Yes. My amazing fan.
Peace.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
We're chilling, we're having a good time.
Yes. We dey drive. Oh yeah, later.
Yeah. Can hand it now.
Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Go party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Your mama feed. Your mama get the money. Don't dey for you. Don't dey for us.
If we give them, can they take it?
No.
If we give them, they fit take up.
I cannot take it.
If we give them, can they take it?
Too much for me.
If we give them, 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 una dey feel us this. Una dey feel us this.
No shout out.
Una dey feel us this. Una dey feel am. Una dey feel am. Una dey feel am. Una dey feel am. I want to bust. I want to bust.
Mama, come.
Yo, we have the donors, man.
The donors.
With the donors, man.
The donors.
Oh yeah?
She's it for Nizo.
Take. Mama, come. Yo. Your mama feed.
They no feed.
Your mama got feed.
They no feed.
Check my mama.
Check am.
Check my mama.
I don't be like your mama where they wear double wrapper.
Period.
And they wear my jeans. And they wear my steam.
Period.
Check am. Ooh.
Period.
Check am. Ooh.
Come out. Mama, just wait. Just wait. Come on, go change.
With the donors, man.
They see.
With the donors, man. With the donors. With the donors, man.
You feed.
This not a Bandon select.
At all.
Boutique what? Boutique what? Boutique what?
Hi, Mama, we don't do everywhere. See, everybody just they talk about us, so Mama.
We go tell Don. Now where we dey trend, make we do the music so that the music self go dey trend with us.
Not true. Because no be waiting carry us come here with this. We come here now for say make he sign us for music label. I go tell him tomorrow. I go tell him because we need to blow. No be video every time we do video. See, people say now don't they talk say me and I'm the date. Sam, he did now. He did. They talk am. Check now, check. I did talk am. Just I did lie for you before. Check. You never see him. Check. Go this. See him.
As Don come dey look you with love for him eye.
You mean am?
Nah, I know wetin they talk. Now so your papa be dey look me that time.
Hey. See, Mama. See, if Don look me 2 times, Makachi, I don't fall be that.
You go hold yourself.
I no go hold anything. I go fall.
Hold yourself.
I go fall, Mama. Forget that thing.
Then leave that thing. See, I know say it no go be bad things. Hold on, be my son.
You see him?
You see him? Make you take your tongue, count your teeth.
I know they can't
see
anything.
The kind girls where they chase them before. We don't reach their level, though. We don't reach that level.
Mama, see, if God go give me favor like he give Esther for king for Bible, he don't finish. Don't for Yakata. He don't. He don't set.
I believe in God. I know say what God cannot do does not exist.
You know they exist.
But you never know whether God won't give you the favor or whether they hold on for a village people.
Mama, which kind of talk
this? Then when we know God mind, may you hold yourself. Hold yourself. I should not go just they date they follow girls where they Banana Island level. Can't begin follow a Jagunless pen.
Mama, why they do like this? Now why can't they look down on me?
Then you go no, look down on yourself.
Mama, stop that talk.
It's good make person know a level for this life. Know your level.
I don't hear you. He don't do now. I don't hear you. I don't hear you.
That's why I say make we blow. When we blow, after a while, it go down a level, even pass a level self.
Your head did you?
Oh my goodness. Wow. Mama T and Nikki are blessings to me. What? You know, Puna was right after all. I have to make the best use of this and drag as much traffic as I can. Unbelievable. I'm trending. I am trending. Wow. Wow.
Oga Don, I beg no vex so. But when we go do this music now, I want drop music. Now wetin bring us come Lagos be that? Wetin happen?
Nikki, we will still do this music thing. Alright? You need to calm down. Can you chill?
I chill.
We're going to do the collaboration, but I'm just working on something, okay? I have to win this award. You know the award. I have to win it. Because if I win it, it's going to be a great milestone in my career. Alright?
Stone? Which stone?
Milestone. It's like an achievement for me.
Oh, okay. Okay, no worry.
And for us to win this award, the fans have to vote for us. You know, they have to like us.
See, you see all these fans, some of them, their head not too correct like that. They know well. Because instead of them to the ginger say, well, we go drop this music, make we even drop album. The day they ask, when una go marry, make the two of una marry, and I go good pass. Which kind of nonsense, yetic fan, and rubbish, them be all of them.
Yeah, rubbish. Very rubbish talk, actually.
Rubbish talk.
Well, we can make them believe that something is actually going on between us.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
We can fake it. Fake the whole relationship thing.
God forbid bad thing. God forbid it. Don't clean your mouth. That talk when you talk now nonsense talk. Make a match and come off from my life. God forbid bad thing. See me like this. Since when my mama born me, I never loved before. Then the first love where I go come do now, I go come be fake one. For why now? Why? It's not possible. I know if you do that nonsense. It's not possible. Not be me.
You know, as much as I hate to admit, you're actually right. Love has to come natural.
Exactly. Now when you come by yourself, now in the good
real.
pass. Exactly, now in good. Very real. If not, I will time wastage with that. I don't get time to waste.
She said love has to come real. Natural. She has never been in love before. Listen, bro, let's just put an end to this narrative. Trust me, I don't want to break an innocent girl's heart.
Man, think business. Think publicity stunt. It's not like you'll be taking her virginity or something. Just give the fans what they want.
Give the fans what they want? What if she falls for me, bro?
As long as you are not taking her virginity, we are good. She can easily detach.
Puna, honestly, I don't know about this. I don't know if this is even safe, bro.
Check them now. Don't, the real way say now if you go sleep with her. Don't try her more.
Now what for you? They use me play. You know the kind of girls what they follow now. They deal with classy chicks, not be this illiterate well can they run things with.
We have a deal then.
Man. Okay, how do I go about this?
Buy her gifts, flowers, play with her, make videos.
Alright,
Yeah.
I could do that.
See, I dey tell you this thing. You know say I sabi this thing pass.
I know they argue.
You know say that me hold crown for rap
yeah,
before
yeah.
I just try hand them over to you. That thing. See, this beat better pass the other one. If you go key, you better. Oh God, dog! We are lawyers, sir.
Swale, Baba. Take up.
Come on, guys. I have told you severally. Drop the Sa thing and Oga thing. I don't like it.
Yeah.
Don superstar!
No best.
That's more like it.
We gallant. Dog! Your face show, your shoes.
You shine well, them born you well.
Sunday morning. I God just calm. You just prepare. Just say, go into the world and explode. Back up.
Now only God image with that. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
The door. No lily.
How are you guys?
You see, I'm not.
We fine, bro.
Oh, please. You're something else, Mama. Ruth!
Mama, you say now woof. Woof.
Come, the door they call you. Gallant.
Run.
Have this. Okay, sir. Make a video.
What? Why should they videos?
Nothing to worry. Just for memory's sake. Okay? To keep our memories alive.
Okay, no problem. Now video. Clean that camera. Clean them again. Clean them. Make that video shine. Yes.
Nikki?
Sir?
I got this for you.
Eh?
Come on.
What's me that?
It's the latest iPhone.
Mama.
Nikki.
Mama.
The door! Don superstar!
Thank you, sir.
The door! Mama. The iPhone. You like the iPhone?
Now black color. I like him. Hey! Hi, Mama, the camera clear. Stay, make a snap you. Smile now, they were. Hey!
Don't they always videos?
Mama, that one no consign me, he didn't buy me phone. I find phone, iPhone, oh. Person don't buy you phone before. Hey.
Your papa buy me phone, you buy me Nokia Touch.
Hey! At least you go use the touch the zero. He try.
All these things,
Eh.
if I know, but all these things are vanity upon vanity. All this one not go make us blue.
Hey, Mama. Now jealousy now they hear for your voice like this. I never hear you talk about it. You never even sound jealousy before. Mama, you dey jealous.
Jealousy they talk about. be that one.
Hey!
No be jealousy, they worry me now. Be
Hey, you sure?
Be that one.
You sure?
They talk, say anything we know they add to our music. Make we know they waste time, they do all these things.
Mama, leave that thing. But it be new phone, iPhone, very sweet. You hold on, feel am. Feel am, make your body calm down. Shame the devil.
Fine.
You see, you don't finish, end am there, you don't end it fine. See myself, I just clear.
Me na OG, I know to trust done like that.
Yeah. Me, I trust him. I trust him for two of us. Mama, see my phone.
Yeah, take me picture, make I see my phone.
Hey, Nana, you come, Mama. Hey, Nana, you come. Oh, yeah, pose where. Pose. Come, I don't stop him. Do another style.
Make it sweet, oh.
It's sweet. Say, they show your vibe. Your vibe, they smell for everywhere. Hey, I don't get out. Hey, Mama, why your face dey bend? Why you dey frown?
I swear down, this thing where you and Don they do, I'm not comfortable. Oh. It no sweet me, oh.
I don't understand. You no like Don again?
Not be say I no like her. But why go they use you like say he don't marry you? Eh? Everybody for social media they watch. Every time video. If this thing where feel for you na real, why they always video you?
But Mama, na celebrity him be now. Na so celebrity lifestyle they dey. Anything when they do, they post them for social media. If they want shit, they go record them. If they want chop, they go record them. Why you can't they do like say you know sabi this thing?
You know they involve you in all that in Wakana. If not so that they live their life, no problem. I make you know they involve you. Because one night I never pay for your head. Meanwhile, everybody just they look you as a woman.
Mama, no allow social media post and stand for my garri. Just leave that thing. Forget them. Paka that matter. Leave them.
All I know, just promise me, say, no go touch you.
How? Mama,
Mama, you say?
you know quick talk, oh.
I no quick talk waiting.
He don't touch me.
He don't
touch me.
He touch waiting.
He touch me. Hey, Mama, calm down. Wait. Now like this, he just touch me only. No, why your blood in the hot? I see it. To say you know my mama for this life, I for miss.
You don't follow me play that kind of play, oh.
I love you pieces. Now you supposed to be my mama. It don't be you. God.
You say supposed know the kind touch you wear.
God try for me. Forget.
Make you not tanana you, oh.
No, Mama, I no go tanana.
You don't make me. I almost don't go bust head of my helper.
But your hair, you know one blow again. If you pass the head, blow don't finish.
Don't play that kind of play with me again.
I too like you.
Hi. Nikki! Hi! Nikki Minakwa!
Peace.
Where your mind is?
My mind dey here. I dey here.
Nah lie. Now your body dey here. Your mind, your spirit, everything for your brain, you don't come out.
No. My mind dey here, Mama. Wetin happen? I dey here.
Nikki.
See me.
Nikki, you don't dey lose focus. No, you don't dey lose guard, though. No be love we come here, come do. Now music, oh.
Mama, see, I dey focus. I focus. My eye open. He focus well like this.
No lie, oh. Now for you dey, the cost don't lost.
Mama, forget that. Forget that. My mind dey there. I dey well. And Mama, why they look me like that now? You dey make me, I dey feel shy. I dey shy. Anyway, Mama, it be like say I don't dey like Don. I don't dey like him.
Hey, church abasago. Nobody like man before man like you. That one recipe for premium breakfast.
No. That's the way they talk. You know, don't like me too. He like me as I dey see him for your eye like this. You know they see him.
What if he dey pretend so that he go tanana?
No. Don na angel. He be angel. You know you're supposed to be angel Don.
Hey, they go shock you. Human being no be angel, oh. Human being they selfish.
Mama, wetin be your own? Wetin be your problem, gangan? Because you and my papa, una don't do una own love finish. Allow me make I do my love now. Why you dey hate?
Okay, I don't hear. Yeah, as you dey do all this, una dey waka up and down. Just at least try to tell them about our music.
That one no be issue.
Make something come out of this.
I don't hear.
This
You
your
no be
waka.
problem. You no be
Because
problem.
no go dey trust Adam. Oh. Your white go stay no.
Mama, see, I no wear white. Oh, which kind you wear white be that? I no wear any white. Now color I wear very colorful, very colorful. Aye. Kai. See, Mama, you don't scatter with your be the think. Now very sweet thinking. Come back, come back, come back, come back. You don't come, you don't come, you don't come.
Yo, bro. I was just checking out some new sounds the producer sent to me. Yeah. Yo, Puna, listen. This Nikki girl, she's so innocent. You know, she's naive. Honestly, I'm not liking the idea of this whole thing we're doing. I feel we should drop it. I don't want to break this girl's heart. Swear.
Don, as long as you don't sleep with her or do anything, she will be fine when this is all over. The impact of her influence is significant in your career.
What about theirs? What about their careers? Huh? It's obvious these people can't sing to save a life, but they also need to benefit from this publicity. They have a huge fan base, but they're not making good use of it. So I feel like I can help them monetize their account. Even if they can't make money through music, at least they'll make money through content creation. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, bro. Yeah, see you around. Guys, listen up. What I'm trying to say is that you can make some serious cash online just by posting content on all your social media platforms. All right? And you can actually do this by monetizing all your social media platforms. Easy peasy.
It's okay, you talk well.
The dawn. The music we want. The music carry us enter this Lagos. Don't be all this content, all this lovey.
Mama, just calm down first, Calm down. See, when the desirable is unavailable, the unavailable is unavailable. Just the chill.
You gotta be real. You go just bite your tongue for nothing. See, those lovey way they do, you don't block your eye, cover your brain.
Leave that.
You know the reason well again.
Leave that matter. Pack am. Pack the matter.
You know, not be so I live my destiny. Live my dream. Everything where I don't get for brain, so I go become for this life. I just dump everything. They follow your papa like mumu. Now, see me now. See me. By this time, well, all my mates, they enjoy waiting, they don't work for their life. Now, and they pursue career.
See, Mama, me and your destiny, it no be the same way, it no be one. No, they judge my life like say it be your own. It no be. See me, I be your mokpe, child of grace. Even if I make mistake now like so, it go still work for me. I know they fear, calm down. It go still work for me. Life na jeje, just... No, they think plenty things like that.
No
but
problem.
Okay.
Una fit they do now. Una fit they do anything wey una want. But as for me, now this music be my passion. Now I go pursue and I must blow.
Mama, you, I'm just trying to help you here. I'm trying to help you.
My leg, oh, my leg. Hey, this woman go come on my leg. Mama, why you could they do like this? You see,
Listen, you need to talk to her, okay? Yes.
Talk to who?
Your mother, of course.
Leave her. She too do. Just calm down. She go do okay.
You guys are missing out. There's serious money to be made on.
We can make the money. Just leave my mama. The dawn. Fresh dawn. She go do okay. No mind. Mama, now why you? Why you go just the para? You just the para, they give down. Our don't be this. You just the shout for them. Why now?
Why no go para? I dey try to protect our interests now. You don't forget. Wetin carry us enter this Lagos?
Hey.
Wetin carry us enter?
Hey, I no forget now. But that the one way I see now you go collect. He don't give us this one. What you go do? No be to collect this one. He never ready for that one. He say making award finish first. Then we go back to this one. But you just they vex, they spit everywhere. You even kick my leg. You waka come on, leave down. Why now? Why you gonna do like that?
Yeah, sorry.
Hi.
Sorry. I don't hear. But make you try. Focus, oh. No, they lose guard, oh. Focus, oh. Focus, high on the price, oh. Eye on the prize, oh, fantastic too. Eye on the prize, Grammy Award, fantastic too. Eye on the prize.
My eye did it.
Ahead.
I dey see am.
Ahead.
I dey see am. I dey see am. My focus. I focus, Mama. I no forget.
All my life, I have never been a pretender till now. I have never had to say no when I felt to say yes, nor say yes when I meant no. I never had to use anyone for my selfish needs. I really feel bad about this whole thing. If I must continue in this, I have to make sure it benefits them too. I need to convince them. Or maybe I get them a music teacher. Maybe at the end of the day, we can actually do their music. Look at this.
I dey see.
You guys have been monetized on all platforms.
Hey, so now what did that mean with that?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you.
So all it takes is for you guys to post content.
We go post
videos.
We go post up.
You will start making serious cash.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
One more thing. I want you guys to improve on your music, and not just music, everything that has to do with art.
Okay.
So I'm bringing in a musical coach to teach you guys how to sing, so you become better at this music thing.
You don't finish this thing. No problem. We'll go learn. Thank you. You don't. Thank you. You don't try for us. Thank you. Thank you, eh?
You're welcome.
Thank you. You do it. Hey, Mama, see. Hi, Mama. Good news. See this thing. We don't start to earn in dollars. We go to earn in dollars for Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. Aye!
This one they do me, I beg. When we go start our music now? Now music be the main thing where we take come here.
That one day. But don't promise me say you go bring music teacher. We go come the teacher so that when we come do that collab, you go collab where you go smooth.
Teacher for who?
For
Mama, yo.
For two of us now.
What thing will the carry teacher do? We sabi everything already now.
Mama, no be two head you get now.
I sabi this music from womb.
I know, but now still one head you get. You know sabi everything finish. Just humble. If you humble yourself, you go learn more. Even the Maria Carey way they happy for. She still they learn. She get teacher. So when you bring that teacher, now when you teach us, Mama will go do way. We'll come add on top this money. Hi, we go do alright. I know now.
Progress don't dey. Now they don't talk about our music.
Yeah, progress.
So after we agree for the teacher, now we go begin record our music. Abi?
You will know. You will know.
This thing are vibes on vibes. Hey. Body full. And they vibrate like I want spit. I want spit the bars.
Go spit it out. That's so, Mama. That's so.
You just the smile, the jolly for.
Na the money now.
For which money?
Na dollars, so na dollars. Oh, na still way forward.
My passion.
Na still way forward.
So Mama Belena vibes on.
It just hey, Mama, this money suits me, sha.
Hello, gorgeous.
What's me that one? Who be your mate for here?
You know they greet.
Who be hello gorgeous?
You no get respect.
Eh? Your mate, who be your mate, both for age and for status. You know, see superstar wey sit down here, well, just you just carry that cover one eye. They feel like pirates. Pirates wey no get ship.
That one enter. Hey.
Listen, that's out of context. I'm here for business. We'll go straight to business. First of all, we'll go with do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti.
It be like say you can't fool yourself for here. Now nursery school rhyme you come play, I be waiting. Hey. Now mama you come they tell the Remi fast all Latin.
Me, Nikki. Whole Nikki. Now you they do the Remi for. Where you go teach me rap, where go graduate, where go big. Where go they do big things. See my mama na only high key she they sing. I just say you want to add key, you dey here. Now because of this chaplet you wear for neck, you know they think where.
Alright, listen, we'll come to that. But first of all, before you sing, you exercise your body to help your voice.
What be this?
It be like say na dressing they confuse them. You just waka enter here like
listen, listen, I've seen your type before, but let's go straight to business. All this is these are out of context, okay?
You say you seen our type.
Listen,
Use this slipper.
the patient.
It be like say
What you dey mad?
it be like say you don't confuse. You think say na gym you come and be na where? Eh? Get out.
Yeah?
Come they move. Skillash.
Hey, move, come on.
Come on for this place.
Let's go! Carry your fight, okay?
Oh yeah.
Listen to me. If not for business.
Come on. Carry that nonsense paper, give her.
You dey crazy? Nonsense. You know the fear.
Can you imagine? Low budget little way. Come. What be this one within your neck? Put them inside now.
You dey show na the new fashion. You dey show say the clothes new. You don't do that kind of thing.
This mumu boy just vexed me now. Just my body just. Which kind of nonsense be that? Way that person can't do for here. When they do, they do the Remi fa sol la ti.
He just carry that full face. He don't know anything.
Can't they call himself my teacher?
He was not even smooth. Wait for the. If I even teach him. Hi.
Listen, you go. They give high pitch.
You know, he just stay flat.
The done.
Welcome, Baba.
Welcome.
Welcome.
The done. All my body just weak. That guy where you say just dumb me.
He come here, he come the teach us only the Remi.
They do the Remi. Who be that one?
Me. A whole Nicki Minaj quiet. They teach me the Remi.
Person sing self now. We can't teach.
You don't know anything. What's be the Remi? What do I use and do? How you want to take help my career? Yeah, and the man no try. We no try.
He knows Sabi sing self. Just the thing vex me. I mean, want teach. I me go teach him. The door. My whole body just weak self. My whole body just make way because I don't bring my morale down.
Okay, all right. That's enough. He actually started with the basics, but obviously you guys didn't get along well.
At all.
I guess I will have to teach you guys myself.
Hey, Tito!
Wait there, sir. Wait.
Just my body just.
We agree. Don't, sir.
Tito!
Don't, sir.
We are loyal.
Sorry, Baba. Take.
I will love you, Tito.
Now you talk. Don't be all this away. Now what you for do with this?
Are we ready to bust the place? Where they go?
Hey, relax, okay? I have to go freshen up first.
You say you go serious with that.
Tito!
Wait.
Everywhere go scatter now.
Now what if you talk since this? You go carry
Everywhere go scatter now.
The boy said he come na dada. He carry it. He say na by dada.
Yeah, babe, don't be stop me. I don't be practice.
Which practice? Now you want to do done. make money. We don't they make money. We don't they make money.
They don't talk true.
He talk come. He be good person, a good man. See money. See him. Now we get him. Hey, he be good man. Hey,
Money where we get, you know, go finish show. Amen.
hey, Mama, all this one now we get. Hey, Mama, you don't come back. You don't come back. I look good, Abby. Show you I look fine.
Nikki,
What?
Nikki Minakwa.
Na me.
Make you dey careful, oh.
You know quick 1 meal. I don't for finish. They come.
Hey! Boss everywhere! Boss everywhere! Everywhere is stew! Everywhere is stew! Don't pick me. Mama, you.
You don't come back. You don't put me down. Welcome. How you doing now?
I'm fine.
You looking like that, it suits me.
I want to look at me. Give me a kiss.
No. It's okay.
Our votes are topping charts.
I see him.
By far.
I see him. We say we don't make money. We don't make money.
Congratulations.
Thank you. We're going to what they say.
Hey! Who can be? Where they dey? Who they be? Where they dey? Hey! The door! After you, na you.
Na so.
Done.
Mama, give her, you give her well.
You're welcome. Bella just dey sweet me.
Oh, please stop it.
Who say you no go shine?
For where?
Na their light go off. Who say you no go blow? Na bomb go blow themselves. Then go scatter inside the bomb of you when they blow.
Mama, you don't do.
Who them be? Who them?
They don't bother when they're mad.
Mama, it's okay.
They're mad.
It's okay.
Don't. Welcome.
Our votes are topping charts by far.
You don't see her, man.
You be the top. You be the chart topper. Who wants top chart if not be you?
And hey, before I forget, congratulations to you two on your monetization.
The door, I beg, no, they talk this kind of thing. The door, I gonna. Now you, we go take now. Now you, we go take. The door, chop up. Now you, we go thank for this thing now. Congratulations. Congratulations. Hey, everywhere.
Oh my God.
Mama, calm down.
Sweet me.
Mama, it's okay. See, do like this. Out. In. Out.
You don't do, Mama. You don't do.
No.
You don't do,
Calm
Mama.
down.
It's too like drama. You don't do. You go scatter. I don't do. You want blow. Don't do.
And listen, my goodness, you know what? This calls for celebration. Yeah, I will go in there and bring the finest wine and we're going to pop.
We're gonna pop something. Pop something. We go pop. Who say we no go pop?
Who say we no go blow?
We go pop.
Who there? They don't budge away. Okay.
It's party time.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Video for our fans. Okay. Video, make it pop up. Make it pop up.
Think,
Wait, before you start the video, we're going to make a toast.
I don't start video since so.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah. You don't pop. They don't pop for my mama. See my own. Full am.
Mama, don't drink yet.
Mama, you never kill.
You're not supposed to drink yet.
Yeah,
Ooh, the door.
Mama dance.
Ah! Hey, the door.
Oh yeah, Mama come first. Make him talk
Making a
small.
toast. Your glasses up. We're making a toast to greatness.
Hey.
A toast to success.
Swale.
A toast to more achievements. Mama, easy. With that being said, cheers.
Cheers. Hey.
You can drink now.
Cheers.
We need some music.
I will up for the dawn.
Turn up some music. Let's go.
We don't make up. We don't sign out. We don't make up. Oh. Hey.
You should be recording.
I'm going to feel that way. Okay, Mama. Hey, go, Mama. Mama, talk to you. Go, Mama. Talk to you. Hey. See the leg. Hey! See my mama, your mama fit do am. If your mama fit do am, make you try and make we see. Hey! I'm gonna die!
The door. Can I have this portion of the dance floor?
Mama, calm down. Now we get the money.
Hey.
Hey! Where they go? Hey, DJ!
Oh, Nikki.
What's happening?
What's the problem?
Wait.
What?
We'll go inside now.
What are you coming inside to do?
I don't. Stop this thing now. Okay? See it. I want to give you my virginity. I don't ready like this. I just open the door, Moko go.
Hey, Nikki.
Hey, they look me straight. We'll go inside. What's happen? You know what? Moko.
Nikki.
Yeah?
I can give anything right now. Absolutely anything just to have all of you right now. Nikki, I am burning for you.
Hey, you see, even me safe. My body dey shake. You know, stable. I just dey shiver. My body dey do me. I want you. We could go inside. Yeah, we'll go inside. Small, just.
But I can't.
Why? What's happened?
Just go.
Go where? You don't want me.
Nikki, go to your room.
What's I do?
Go to your room. Go to your room, Nikki.
Nami, they give you.
Go.
Why you dey pursue me like that?
I said go.
You don't want me.
Go to your room, Nikki.
I be star girl. I get talent. Not talent hustle like come, but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know if we control more. Love don't carry.
Go to your room, Nikki. I don't want to shout at you. Come on, go to your room.
No problem. Oh, Allah. But you...
Nikki, just go. Go.
Abi, you do mistake. The dawn. You make mistake, oh. Come now. Just open door for me. Hey. Kai.
Nikki, you don't fuck up. Hi.
Oh my goodness. What? It takes every bit of self-control in me to resist sleeping with her. Wow. That would be so wrong. There are many girls out there that I can use and dump. Come on, Don. Not a pure soul like Nikki. Oh my God. I need to put a stop to this before it's too late. God help me. God help me.
I be star girl, I get talent. My talent hustle like come, but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know fi control now. Love don't carry me go where I know. I be star girl, I get talent. My talent hustle like come, but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know fi control now. Love don't carry me go where I know. Love don't carry me go where I don't know. I love your way. You love my way. Talent carry me come. Love don't carry me go. I love your way. You love my way. Talent carry me come. Love don't carry me go. This boy is good, oh, and I dey feel I'm his steez, oh. Now so love the sweet, oh. My talent hustle like come, but somewhere somehow love enter, and I feel like I don't glow.
Nikki, wetin dey sup? Eh? Your face be like something wey spoil for my head.
Nothing, I do well. I do well. I do alright.
This face wey I dey see no be like who dey well o. This face no be well at all. Na desert I dey see. Nikki, see wetin dey trend online. See, the Don dey romance one girl for outside. Hey, mama. Hey.
Mama.
Nikki Minakwa.
My heart.
Nikki Minakwa.
My heart, they pay me.
You don't enter. I beg you. Nikki, calm down now. You don't reach like that now. Calm down. This what way they do like this. I hope so. I never do anything. No.
Mama, Binti say you like me. Nati say you like me.
Hey, sorry, but I hope say he never touch you.
No. We only.
Hey, why go there?
No, only small.
Even Don self, if you know say he never too like you, why go come there?
Mama, that's small na. We just.
Why you know that? Because that thing get carry feelings. And don't say if him no say he no like you, why go there? Which kind of thing be this?
Mama, I want go.
Go where?
I want go house.
You go which house?
What do they do?
See, hey, what of the music where we come do?
Eh? I know they do.
Ha! This girl, why? Oh, I be they tell you this thing now. Say make we know they miss business with all these levels. Eh? Men go stay your white. That's what they always do.
You see, I'm now see my white don't stay like this. You don't dead. See my whole body don't dead.
Calm down, calm down.
Oh God!
Calm down, calm down. Calm down. Kai, the dawn, you mess up.
Bro, I told you this wasn't a good idea. Her fans are revolting. The shippers. I'm sure she must have seen it by now and she'll be heartbroken.
But to agree, you should do nothing to her. Just create a make-believe. Fuel the dating room online.
Do you think it's that easy to be close to someone that has a sweetheart as Nikki and not get attached? Listen, I did not touch her. But do you know the amount of self-control it took for me not to touch her?
So now that she has fallen for you, what next?
Yo, Nikki is not my kind of girl. Okay, she's an illiterate. All my exes were women with class, high profile, intelligent career women. And I still broke things off with them. Not to talk of Nikki. The girl deserves a good guy, someone that will marry her and make her happy.
So you knew all this and you went kissing her?
Hey, don't come at me like that, okay? Listen, I'll tell her everything now. Just end everything.
Well, thankfully the voting is over and we're winning. I think our job is done and she has to leave. Yeah. But you have to reward her well because she marketed your brand.
Yeah, I have to. Yo, man, I need a drink. So,
I need a drink as well.
But I see love for your eyes, so I see her. I see love.
it was all fake, Nikki. Yeah. It was all for the gram. That was why we recorded every moment we had together. It was all publicity stunt.
Nice one.
Hey.
You don't try, you don't
Nikki, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. I couldn't help it. Okay, just...
No problem now. Will they go tomorrow?
What?
They come up for your house tomorrow.
No, you can't go. What about your music? Your plans? Nikki, listen. I'm willing to pay you 20 million naira, okay, for your time.
I don't need them. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. Leave me, I beg, leave me, I beg, leave you.
Nikki, come on, don't be like this.
I talk am, I be I no talk am. I talk this thing, I be I no talk am. I talk am. Eh? When you come business, nobody catch feelings. I talk this thing now, everything one yakpa, everything one yasara, everything one scatter. Eh? I know they like waste my voice to the complain to the yarn. I won't use them to the spit bars. Now for vibes on vibes. I thought this thing said they don't they mix the business, can't they do lovey? I talk am. You know say music na my blood. Music na my blood, na my first love. You want make I live my first love?
Oh yeah, stay now. You love and pass me, stay.
Why go talk like that? You know, say me and you na 5 and 6. I no fit stay if you go now. And take this thing. You be my heartbeat. How I go stay when you go?
Oh yeah, now pack your own bag. Pack am, make we go. Because nothing go make me sleep for this house tomorrow.
I talk this thing. No, they trust Adam. Adam, they stay white. Adam, they stay white.
Now my fault say you no quick talk. Which Adam? How many white I don't wear for this house? Why your nightgown come dey inside my bag safe?
Come in. Mama, please. I'm sorry.
This kind of thing what you do now is sweet you for body.
Mama, please.
As you take, just use us for your selfish gain. Just use us make like that. It good for your eye.
I am sorry.
You will be say if they wake me up anytime, if anybody tell me, say you be bad person, I for tear and slap because I no go agree. For my dream self, and they talk say you be angel. I don't know say you be pretenders do the worst.
Mama, please.
Even my pikin now she said make we go. Even music self we don't do. You just carry my pikin yama anyhow. If I talk say now, make we go for internet, begin drag you. Use your name, make money now. They go say we be bad people.
Mama, please, I beg you. It hasn't gotten to that, okay? I didn't do anything to her. I didn't sleep with her.
Hey, you touch her for body, but you touch her for heart. You touch her for heart. Her heart which she never give any man before. You disvirgin her heart. You just disvirgin her heart. Yaka like that. Just throw the pieces. Yaka. Throw one piece for north, throw one for south, throw one for Cameroon. It good like that. What do you do? It no good.
Please.
It no good. I don't like make anybody hurt my daughter. My daughter now my jewel. Now my jewel of inestimable value.
Please.
It good like that.
I'm sorry.
Eh? You know the better person at all, the dawn. I don't expect this kind of behavior from you. I don't expect this kind of behavior from you. Not be so now. If you born picking, you go happy, so you go there, make them useless your picking mind like that. Eh? You don't say this thing now.
This is a check of 20 million naira.
Ooh.
For your time and publicity.
Ooh.
I tried talking to Nikki about it, but she refused to accept it. Please, ma, I am sorry.
So you know say this kind of thing in your wardrobe. You no talk. You leave me, make I come, they use all my power, they shout sits. When you know say this kind of thing there. Huh? My guy! The dawn! Hey! After you, now you. Madam, salute. Hey! Come back, get perfume. Pipillon. Hey! Siren for you. Wow. 3 awilo. Woo! 3 bossa for you. Bossa. Hi! Chairman, hi. Those people will won't tear us apart. Mame. Enemy people, now them. Hey! The done. After you, now you. Who won't collect your position? Who it be? Where them be? Who them be? Where them they? Hey! 3 bossa for you, chairman. Bossa. We be family now, we be one. Who talks say we won't quarrel? Bad people, enemies of progress. It no go ever happen. Hey, see, no mind Nikki. Now so she and her papa they behave. They reject money. Me, it can never be me. It can never be me. I can never reject money. Even if it's from my enemy, I go collect them. Hey, thank you, Don. Don. But Don, that music still damn important too. Are they gallant now?
Don't worry, we will do the music.
We could do them. Hey, the Don.
Once Nikki heals, we will do it, I promise you.
You no go ever regret am. I say if dem dey wake me now, if dem dey wake me from bed, everything, all my toenail, everything wey dey my body, na music. Na music. I get the bars, man. I get the bars. No barrister reach me where I dey. I be the bars. Na me be the bars.
The bars.
The bars, I get am.
The bars.
Ha! The dawn! I salute. Hey, we go do the music. Everything go sweet. Eh? Sorry as I dey shout for you before. Nah, sense we come off
I'm really sorry about everything.
dawn. Chop knock. Don't worry, I go hide this money. I go hide them later when she calm down. Then I go find us. I go tell her.
Thank you, man.
The dawn! The dawn!
Thank you, man.
The dawn!
My talent hustle like but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know fi control am. Love don't carry me go where I no know. Love don't carry me go where I no know.
Nikki, now where will they go now?
Huh?
Where will they go now?
You know, say fans contribute money for us. We go use that one take lodge for hotel. Our hotel go sleep. Me, I no go sleep for you today at all. At all. Who dey go?
This girl. Where they go now? You know, say you get.
I be star girl, I get talent. My talent hustle like but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know fi control am. Love don't carry me go where I no know. I be star girl, I get talent. My talent hustle like but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know fi control am. Love don't carry me go where I no know. Love don't carry me go where I no know. I love your way. You love my way. Talent carry me come.
Why does this house feel so empty? Why do I feel so sad? Why does it feel like a part of me has gone? Why can't I stop thinking about Nikki? What is happening? What's happening? Nikki. Nikki. I don't feel like talking to anyone right now, except Nikki. Nikki, what have you done to me?
My heart dey pain me. My heart dey pain Mama, this one new for me.
People heart they break it, they mend.
Kai. Mama, see, my body all just they shake. No, it's not stable. It's not stable at all.
Waiting go up must come down. No matter as you shake, you go still steady. They don't do.
Mama.
They don't do. Sorry. This one self go pass.
Why not go pass? It go hard, it go hard.
It go hard, but it go pass.
Kai. Oh, chip.
It go hard, but it go pass.
Hey, guy, wetin dey happen now? You just dey cancel meeting anyhow. You've been lying down here for days. This is not good. Dawn. Wetin dey happen now?
Man, I don't know. I don't know what's happening to me. I've been trying to understand this feeling, but it's not making sense in my head. I miss Nikki. I miss her so much. Like, she's been the only one on my mind all this while. I can't think of anything else. I can't focus. I don't even care about anything else.
Not even the music.
Not even the music, bro.
Points to one thing.
What?
Wait. You're falling in love with her. Dawn, I've never seen you love anyone like this. I've never seen you put anyone above the music. It's been always the music. Dawn, if you are falling for her, what are you waiting for? Why not go and get her? Yeah. Guy, at least pick your calls now. Eh? Dawn.
I don't feel like picking up.
Listen, you are not the first guy to be lovesick. Go dress up. We're late for the award.
I'm not interested in going.
Nah. How can you lose interest in everything? You know what? I'll go for the award. We have worked so hard for this. I will see you later. You have to convince her. Even the award, he missed it. I've never seen Dawn like that before.
Wait, so you mean I'm saying Dawn they love up as in don't mind they do miri for where my daughter dey?
Yes.
Dawn they in love with Nikki?
Yes, I'm very sure. He has been in bed for days. I've never seen him like that before.
Everything they do Nikki now? This thing where you talk now, guy, now the same thing where they do Nikki. Nikki never come out from bed since. Hey, this love thing strong, oh.
Yes, you just have to convince her to forgive Dawn. I'm sure he will get back to get her.
So don't turn my son-in-law like this. Everywhere boss. Everywhere boss in this life. Everywhere boss. Yeah. see best man. You don't even wear the suit. Guy, we don't talk family. Oh. As you lie down so, now so don't self lie down. Both of our spirits don't enter collabo.
Mama. And you believe Puna? No be two of them lie for us. Now they lie give us now. Mama forget that.
They don't lie for us before. But that time now because they get something where they won't gain from the lie. Okay now, waiting they won't gain from this one now if not lie. Nothing. So I believe her.
Mama, I know the Wakada rule again. I know Wakada rule at all. And you don't tell me before I give my heart to anybody, make I first trust them, make I believe in them. I don't believe them again. I know they give anybody my heart. Don't finish with that, don't finish you. They come off for Lagos too. I want to go Abuja.
So you can't bring that one. How think they can't bring this kind of one? Eh? What you can't bring that one? Because of waiting? Because of man? You can't leave music where you can't do. What in Abuja know about music now?
Mama, when I go there, I go figure myself out. I will go. I know one more. I know fit day here. You don't come, Abi, you know they come.
I know they follow you waka that kind waka.
Yeah, no problem. You day your day. I day my day. Nobody worry anybody. We okay.
First thing tomorrow morning, she don't cut out though. She won't delete from Lagos so. Make una can't stop her oh. I go send the address.
Nikki is leaving town. We need to stop her now. Nikki is leaving where? Yes, she's leaving us.
Mama, leave me. Mama, leave that. Leave her.
Nikki, please, I beg you. Nikki, come here. Nikki, look at me. Nikki, I'm sorry. Please, I am sorry, okay? I am so sorry. I'm sorry I lied to you. I am sorry I deceived you. Trust me, it wasn't intentional, please. Please.
You messed me up, you messed me up.
I know, I am so sorry, Nikki. Please, look at me. Nikki, look at me, please. I messed up. Okay, I messed up. Please, forgive me. Nikki, I choose you. I choose you above everything else, okay? Listen, I choose you above my music. I don't care about any other thing right now. You're the only person I think about. You're the only person on my mind, Nikki. Please. Please don't leave me. You can't leave me. Please, I beg you. Nikki, look at me.
They look you.
I am sorry.
I don't hear.
It's me and you. It's me and you against the world, baby. It's
I
me
don't
and
hear.
you. It's me and you, okay?
I don't hear.
Please, I'm sorry.
Hey, Puna, you didn't see what I see so.
Come up for you.
I'm sorry, please.
Don't do.
I'm sorry.
Don't do.
Family.
Stand up. Make knee no pain. You stand up.
I'm so sorry.
No one.
I be star girl, I get talent, but talent hustle like come, but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know fi control now. Love don't carry me go where I know. I be star girl, I get talent. My talent hustle like come, but somewhere somehow love enter, and I know fi control now. Love don't carry me go where I know. Love don't carry me go where I know. I love your way. You love my way. Talent carry me come. Love don't carry me go. I love your way. You love my way. Talent carry me come. Love don't carry me go. This boy is good, oh, and I dey feel I'm his steez, oh. Now so love the sweet, oh. My talent hustle like come, but somewhere somehow love enter, and I feel like I don't glow. Love don't carry me go where I know. Love don't carry